There's a stalker outside honking his horn. Probably trying to harass me. See what he does. See if he magically disappears now I'm recording like a pussy. Oh no, there he is. Prove your point, bro. This guy voted for Hillary Clinton, probably. And Kamala Harris. Where is he? He's doing it right outside my house. Come on, bro. Go ahead and threaten me some more. You guys do it every single day. I'm used to this shit by now. They do this pretty much every day. They don't just do this. They do car alarms too. See, he's gone. He probably would have kept that up for another 10 minutes if it hadn't been for my recording. He doesn't want to be on the camera. They hate being on camera. That's the pattern you're going to notice. I don't give a fuck if I'm on camera. If someone is recording me, I honestly don't give a fuck. I usually just want to know why. These people are all kinds of sketch about it. Yeah, now he's gone. He doesn't want to threaten me anymore now that he's on camera. So yeah, that's what these handlers do. They send these people that are lower level to do this weird specific shit like light off car alarms, set off fire alarms. Sometimes they'll use fake beeping trucks. Sometimes they'll just honk their horn. Sometimes on the street, you'll see them drive normally, and when they get right next to you on the road, they gun it so that it cracks. I don't know what it is. So it cracks right in front of you and it hurts your ears, basically. It's happened like 20 times. And then they also throw shit at people. They throw shit at me. Mr. Honk My Horn's gone.